Now, quick side note, if you found this video looking for an FSU replacement, I actually have a video up for an E46 as well, which is substantially harder than an E53. So make sure to check that out. Okay, so finding camera angles is really kind of going to be the challenge for a lot of this. So what we're going to need to do is we need to pull this kick plate above the footwell first. First of all, there are these little twist knobs. I've pulled one out on that side right over there. There's another one right here that and all you're just gonna do is just twist them, then pull them out, okay? And then there's one screw right there, which you should be able to see. Let me look at it. You can see the silver right there of that one screw. And then this kick plate will come down. It has a light in it, as you can see. So pull this plate down, unplug it, because what we want to do is we want to remove this side paneling piece, and this is in the way. So get this out, and then I'll show you how to take the side panel piece out, because the FSU is essentially right back here. And it's not all that hard to get to, but you just have to pull a few pieces to get there.